what you want to. Please don't be polite, cause I like your attitude. Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in
My taxi has arrived. Let's go to the airport.
and my heart is racing, but I'm
We made it to Nakura Line International Airport.
He does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel.
Now we are heading to catch the sunrise.
Next dimension, let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can never know.
Exploring Bali made me grow so much. Bali has taught me to appreciate simple things in life.
Around for the
During this journey, I've seen people live at the beach with little income. But they are probably happier than many people in this world. They laugh, sing, and enjoy life. Because life is a journey, not a destination. That's why we all should travel to learn new things. Traveling leaves marks on your memory, on your consciousness, on your heart, and on your body. You take something with you, hopefully you leave something good behind.
Let's forget about a curfew, cause all that is stuck in my head. It's me and you, both speeding, my heart is racing, but I'm not sure I wanna face it, cause it only does this with you. Our bodies meet, I can feel the tension, move us into the next dimension. Let's just let our bodies be true. We make out for the thrill of it, mess around for the thrill of it. Don't stop now, never let this end. For the thrill of it, we can never know regret.
Cause we're learning so quick. Think I missed a little bit of moving on now. You promised we won't be together. Not sure how this can last, won't be forever. Where's it at? Only girl you know. Take me to your place, wherever you want to go. And where's it at? Only girl you know, lead me to your heart. That's the place I want to know. And if I stay strong, make me belong. And if I give me, let me love you. And if you take me, will you really see? Not like give me a give me. And if I stay strong, make me belong. And if I give me, let me love you. And if you take me, will you really see? Not like before, give me a little more.
With that being said, thanks Bali from the bottom of my heart for giving me spectacular moments. Most importantly, I want to thank all the people I've met through this journey. Of all 17 countries, everyone just made this trip to be one of the best trips ever in my life. And I will never forget that. Last but not least, terima kasih Bali.
Think I want to know how it is. Hold holding on to things we wouldn't usually miss. Took our time to know each other. Hold your arms out, give me kisses, make me your lover. Where's it at? Only girl you know. Take me to your place, wherever you want to go. Where's it at? Only girl you know. Lead me to your heart, that's the place I want to know. And if I stay strong, make me belong. And if I give me, let me love. Give you